Hello everyone, and welcome to the next video in the C++ programming course. In this video we are going to be looking at nested if statements. Okay, so what are nested if statements? Nested if statements are basically just if statements within if statements. And to show this, we are just going to create a simple program that checks the eligibility of a person to a football team. Okay, so we will create three requirements: age, gender, and height. Okay, so what we will say first is we will write down the variables. Okay, so first the age, then the height. Height and the gender. So for this we will just write string gender. Okay, so now what we can do is we can take the first input of gender, and if they are a male we can say, and we can go to the next if statement. Okay, so we'll create the prompt. Please enter your gender. Okay, we'll just write m/f so it's easier, and then we can put gender, and here, since we're only taking in one character, we can change this to char for character. Okay, and then here we can write if gender equals male, for m for male, we write okay, and if the gender is not male, we will write you are not eligible. Okay, so now after we've checked that the person is a male, the next thing we have to check is if they meet the height requirement. Okay, so now we will get the input of the height. So we will write the prompt. Please enter your height in feet, and we will pass that into height. And here we will say that the requirement is they have to be over 5 foot. Okay, so we can write an if statement. If the height is greater than 5, we can write you are eligible, and if they are not, if their height is not greater than 5 feet, we will write you are not eligible. Okay, so now after we've checked the height, the last thing that we want to check is the age. Okay, so here we will write an if statement for the age. Okay, first, to get the age, we'll write the prompt. Please enter your age. Cn age. And here we can write the if statement. So if age is, we'll say greater than 18, we'll output you you are totally eligible to be part of the football team. And if not, we'll write out you are not eligible. Okay, so that seems easy enough. So all it is just if statements within if statements. Okay, so now if we run this program, it should work with the different tests we try on it. Okay, so for the first trial, what we will do is we will meet all of the requirements. So please enter your gender, male, and as you can see, it allows us to go through and enter your height in feet. We'll write 6. because the height has to be greater than 5. Oh, sorry. Okay, now it asks for the age, and we have to be over 18, so we'll write 20, and it says you are totally eligible. Okay, so now what we can do is just we can make it not eligible, and what we will do is firstly make it not eligible by writing female. Okay, so we will write F, and it should say, as you can see, you are not eligible, and stop the program. Okay, so now let's stop it at the second one, which is height. Okay, so we'll write M, and here, since height does have to be greater than 5, we'll put 4, and again it says you are not eligible. Okay, great. And for the last one, you can write M6, and to be less than 18, we'll just put 16, and it says you are not eligible. Okay, so that's all there is to nested if statements. So I hope you were able to follow along, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.